Okay, so here's the breakdown of the beat. The tempo is 164 BPM. Let's start with this bell sound over here. I know it doesn't sound exactly like the original, but I feel like I came pretty close. I'm using the Sweet Bell preset. It's under Mallets, Sweet Bell. Here's the setting. I'm using the high acoustic setting right here. Also, if you go to the plugins, I have a bit crusher on. I have the overdrive, microphaser. Here's my EQ settings. Here are the notes. Next we have the hi-hats, playing the basic 16th pattern. We have the claps hitting on the downbeat. Here's the 808. Yeah, so that's basically it for the first 8 bars. Alright, so once you get to the 9th bar, the lead sound comes in. Here's what it sounds like. I'm using analog mellow lead sound. It's on the sharp setting. And here are the notes. Here's the kick pattern. It's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Once we get to the 17th bar, we have the smooth clap. You can find it under keyboards, smooth clap. And here are the notes. And yeah, that'll do it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, hit that notification bell. I live stream every Wednesday, Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, and by the way, all the drum sounds that I use for this beat, including the 808s from my 100 drum kit, link is in the description down below. Go ahead and purchase that. It's the best way to support this YouTube channel, so yeah, make sure to check that out. Alright, so that's gonna be it for me. I'll see you guys next time.